It's a hard thing to know that your soul will stay hollow. Even if I know that nothing lasts forever, it's not easy to let go. Can you love me again? Can things ever be the same? All I do.
Young, and we didn't want to be exposed. Even though it was cold, we were never wearing proper clothes. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, smoking cigarettes behind the school. Always trying to be cool, trying to be those bad guys, you know. I still think about what we had when we were younger. We were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, when we were younger, I remember a girl. I would sneak into her parents' house. I could stay for hours, and we looked into each other's eyes. Hey, I thought I was Romeo, I was looking for my Juliet. And as soon as I left, I told my friends. Those days made me who I am. When we were younger, we were never running out of time. As long as we had each other, oh, everything was black and white. Driving in a car, never knowing how far we go. When we were younger, oh, when we were younger.
From the start, I lost my step deep within your eyes and your soft silhouette. The way you move, both gentle and wild. If only I could feel you for a while. I can't hear anymore. Now you are all I'm waiting for. I can't eat, I can't sleep no more. Haunted by your scent through every open door. Try to From the start, I lost my step deep within your eyes and your soft silhouette. The way you move, both gentle and wild. If only I could feel.
I woke up to the smell of a roses dress laid out in white. Wondering if you're getting ready. Wondering if you've got butterflies. Everyone seems so excited. Mama's already cried. No need to rush the thing, we're just beginning. We got nothing but time. 'Cause every day with you is the best day of my life. That tux is looking good and this wedding ring is nice. If I could be honest, forever's looking bright. Every day with you is the next best day of my life. It's the next best day of my life. Ben's got the bass line ready. The boys straightening up their ties. The flock girl's dress is muddy, but I can't help but smile. The preacher's at the front patiently waiting, while I'm dreaming when we're old and gray. The pictures from today will all be faded, but I'll still feel this way. 'Cause